So I think SHIB may have surprised a lot of people yesterday. We know the market started going on these rip-roaring runs, BTC surging up to 65K, and SHIB was kind of having a pretty mild day for the most part. And then that all changed later on. Think about 9 or 8 o'clock Central Standard Time. SHIB just surged to the upside. In fact, I got a notification on my phone, crossed 4020. That's exciting. That's a strong move for SHIB. And even as we've corrected overnight for some news that I'll get to in just a second here, SHIB has kind of settled onto this 4019 range. The exact range, if you guys remember, about a week ago we were talking about, I said SHIB's next move would be to 4019. This is where our moving averages were converging. This is where our 200-day moving averages are. This is a very kind of pivotal moment for Shiba Inu. All right. Now, what I will say is this may be our point where the market kind of corrects a little bit. We know BTC is coming down. We have a little bit of a cool off. Actually, my Patreon, if you guys want to check that out, links in the description below. We talked about last night probably being a red night, and there was a little something that kind of pushed us that direction. And actually what it was the move of some Mt. Gox coins, sending a little bit of fear into the market. So there was actually 47,000 BTC that was moved to another wallet. Price actually dipped for BTC down to the 63K range. And actually they've made a couple moves over the course of the night. You guys can see that there was a 44,000 BTC move here. Actually, this was just to another one of their cold wallets. 47,000 BTC move here to this wallet, 48,000 BTC move to this wallet. So they're doing these distributions, and it's all a question of what do the entities that are receiving these distributions, what are they going to do? Are they going to hold? Are they going to dump into the market? There's a lot of questions, and nobody frankly knows the answer right now. From that first move, I don't know if we saw much of the dumping. I haven't really paid much attention to it because frankly, in the grand scheme of things, not that big of a deal. All right. So when we look at SHIB right now, it's basically setting up this exact move that we talked about here. We're either right here waiting for this correction, this drop back down to the gift zone right before trying to breach it again, or we're kind of right in here. I'm guessing that we are going to have a little bit of a cool down, a little bit of a pullback, maybe to 4017. As always, this is not a guarantee. This is not financial advice. And frankly, guys, I'm not bearish on Shiba Inu at all. Know that this was a big opportunity for people to add. This is the reason why I added back here, because I knew that this breakout was in fact possible. Am I selling right now? No, I'm not. I'm prepped and ready to go for this next leg in terms of SHIB. It's all a question of whether the broader crypto market is going to allow it to happen. Do we have some cool down here? You know, BTC is back in its range, it's back above its moving averages. Frankly, if it can hold above its 100-day and 50-day moving average, we're going to be in very good shape. We have a couple levels of support here, 20 and 50-day. We have our 62K support. We have our 20-day moving average. So right now, BTC is above everything. Okay, we're on the bullish side of things. Even as we're going through a cool down and a correction today, the market is still bullish. All right. So I just wanted to share that with everyone. We'll see if Mt. Gox keeps moving these coins today. That may be an indication of our trend over the next 24 to 48 hours or so, but get excited. We're in those times like I've been talking about. There's going to be a moment where the market breaks free. This was the warning shot for a lot of people, and it was a big one. And guess what? Eventually, the market's just going to do what it does. So appreciate it as always. That was kind of a weird ending. Anyways, have a great day. Show your love below. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.